Hey guys, today's November the 5th of 2013. I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. And know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. Alright, so let's see where we are with the euro. Let's see what levels, what's going on, what's important, what's not important, what's to watch. Right now, let's just do price retracements. Just see where we at. Um, right now, this is a 75%, so that's pretty far. Next level, you're at the 50. So this is where we're at, 34.93, and that's where the euro's dancing right now. It's at 34.87 right now. It's 7:35 Central Time. Uh, so it's dancing around there. So it needs to stay above this. If it's gonna, I mean, just gonna show you a lot of levels, but this is a 50%, so it has to stay above there, above that price level, if it wants to continue staying bullish. Next level, you got the 25 here. You got that 37.010 high, which is that February 1st. So you're still strong. Even from that swing, you got the 50 down here. So that's a key level right now to be watching. From this swing low, July 9th to the October 25th, you got the 25, you fail that, but you got the 50 right here, which is at 32.95. So if you fail that, that's another key level, which is the 25%. So that's a cluster of support right there. That'll probably be right your next level right there. So it's still strong. I mean, it's still strong. It just took a nice little retracement, a pullback. Now from this swing low of September the 6th to October the 25th, right now you're at that 50 right here. And if you and you feel the 25, so you're at the 50. So you have two 50 levels right here, the 34.68 and that 34.93. Um, and then the current swing from here, whatever this date is, I think is October the 16th. You're right at that pivot low, just trying to hold that. So I found a new trick, guys. If you go like this and you reopen it, boom, gives you fresh stuff start instead of me clicking on all this stuff. Uh, ABC pattern, swing long. You hit your target. You're here. You're trying to, like all the levels I showed you. So that was a great target. If you would have followed this ABC pattern, you would have gone out on the top and probably been on the sideline to see what's going to happen now. So I wanted to show you that. ATR longs. If you were following the ATR, you would have gotten stopped out, and that's why they were hunting down for these levels. PSR got hit right there. Is there another one I have here? Percentage long, you got hit right here too. So if you were long from September 6th, they were hunting for stops and they got all of them. I just wanted to show you that. And it's good because this keeps you disciplined. So you're trailing your stop, and when this thing turns, you just get out. You get your money. You don't want to be, giving back what you risk so much and lost sleep. Uh, you you, you want to lock it in. Okay, so now next thing I want to show you, if you're short, the same thing applies. You're trailing it down. If you got in around here or somewhere around here, just put it at the top and just trail it down. You're short, same thing here. Same thing here. So they see different levels on that. I could click on these real quick. Andrew's pitchfork. Fail that right there from that channel I showed you earlier, and this smaller channel right here, failed it right here, so we're down there. Now if I show you the bigger Andrew's pitchfork, which is this one, it's holding right there as support. So that's why another key level to watch is this. It's right in the medium line right there, so it's holding that. If it fails that, then it's probably going to be dancing around here on that channel. Trend line. You got from the top, you never got to kiss it. Trend line from the bottom, from the July 9th, kissing the September 6th. You almost kissed it, but you're still holding it. So you're at the bottom of the channel. So it's still intact. It just has a nice little pullback. Swing long. Same here. A, B, C. That was your target. 38.24, which coincides if you did the bigger ABC swing long. 37.98 to 38.24. So somewhere around there, you should have covered and locked in some profits. Let's do this real quick. Is there anything else I want to show? No, I think that's it. That's all the stuff I wanted to show on this software. Let's go into what we got here on the grid. All right, this is the grid from the 724 low to the February 1st high, and it pierced here. It got a nice little pop. I might have to do a new grid because this is going to probably be my new 4x1 now. But anyway, this is where we at. You're holding that 50, and you're trending. You're going to be coming to the 61.8 Fibonacci level on the 9th, which is a Saturday. But I'm watching the 8th. The 8th is going to be where the action is. There's some reports are going to come out that might influence the dollar and the euro, and we'll see what's going to happen. But you're feeling the 50 right now. It's 34.72, so it's getting weaky. It's getting very weakness. A lot of weakness here, and you got this angle right here as support. Let's see what's going to hold. So that's the 20, that's the 50, that's the 100, and that's the 200. If you go into the big picture, not the big picture, but the bigger grid of the swing high 5411 to the swing low 724, this is where you at right now. You got the 1x1 right here and a 1x1 right here, and you got the 50 right here. So you're in a cluster right here a couple of days trying to hold at 34.90, which is a 50% Fibonacci level, and you might find support right here if it goes all the way down. That angle will probably be 34.58ish around there. But if it fails that, you're probably going to come all the way down to the 100, but we'll see. So what I'll show you that. Let's go into the big picture and see what we got. You're pretty much very negative right here. It looks like you failed a 50 on the MMG, and now you're like trending lower. You got a lot of buy signals for the cycle to go up here, but it's not reflecting on price action. And it looks like you had a little snapback, like a little baby snapback, and have a nice little failure, and now it wants to push lower. And this has been negative, and Tima has been telling you to stay short. But you've been, a lot of bulls have been showing up because you got 1, 2, 3, 4 green ones as a support. So it could attest this low, 34.41, and find support and then shoot up until like the 8th, because that's when the 8th is the day I'm watching. It's the day that this action is gonna most likely happen. So we'll see. Was it gonna go sideways until the 8th? I don't know. Same thing here. You're failing the 50. Team is telling you stay negative, stay short, and you're trending on CCI, but nothing positive on the Fisher, so it's still pushing lower. Same thing here, pushing lower, pushing lower. You're below the TTM squeeze. Same thing here, and you're building up on the red on thermo, on the Swami Predict. Look, you had a red candle here on the trend candles, but you're in the mobile band, so that means chop, right here. 50, undecided. This is a weekly. Team is still telling you stay long, but snapback setup right here could do this, pop up. Fisher, one of my favorite signals, is telling you the trend is changing. And you can see it right here with this big candle. Got a hockey stick, so this could be possible shoot to the upside, but we'll see. Today's action, if it takes out that low, I'm probably going to be jumping in because it's probably going to trend lower to the eighth, and maybe get a couple of pips, but we'll see. It's just no conviction. The Bears want to take it lower as of now, and then the Bulls had all this opportunity to spike it up, but they did it. So that's where we're at right now. Monthly hasn't really changed. Pretty much the same thing. And then you got support here on the monthly right here. It's 50. So we'll see. Hope this helps, and good trading. Peace.